Hello, guys. I'm 6 Old Inverkip Road, and you know what it means when it's Old Inverkip Road. I am not a normal house. 30 and 28 up the road make noises, while 21 just down that hill has infinite aura. And now we come to me. See this guy who does personification with random stuff being autistic, making noises. So now he is doing one about me. I should make those autistic noises to keep this going.
Whoa, whoa, wow.